Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news.
Let's see. Our father, former President of the Federal Republic, Chief Olusegun Obasanjo, the Senate President, God's will Fabio, the uncommon leader, the Speaker, House of Representatives, a Deputy Senate President, Deputy Speaker, former President, the Air President, National Chairman of our great party, the largest party in Africa, Umar Ganduje, my very good friend. The governors here present, and I see so many of you because we have a progressive governor being given a second time here today. The governor of Imo State, the man who is very hard-working and industrious. I would say congratulations to both you, your wife, and particularly again the deputy governor who has been sworn in. Congratulations to all our royal fathers here present. Please excuse me not to go through the path of noting you one by one. All the honorable ministers, member of the Imo State House of Assembly, all the senior government officials, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, it is a great honor for me to be here in Imo State. And to congratulate the entire people of Imo State for being that discerning and determined to vote into a second term a very unique individual that resonates with a progressive agenda. Senator Uzodinma. There is no other way that it would have happened because your hope and our party and government is renewing the hope of our country. I assure you, here today, you have gotten a good and dependable Democrat. Hard-working peer of Han, a man who would think and do as you have experienced in the past. As he had taken the sacred oath of office, made further commitment to continue to do hard work, because that is the result of the reward you give him. Hard work for more work and good development. As his name symbolizes, we are here assuring you that your hopes and your hope are renewed. This man has just gone into the record book, winning well in all the local governments, so he has to do more work and find a good support at the national level to ensure economic recovery and rapid development of your state. I've just commissioned a road leading to the airport here. That is a great symbol of productivity from Uzodinma. I stand before you to say you have gone through twists and turns of democracy. You have been through some aspect of hard decisions. Each time I watch the news and see one frame or the other, one pain or the other, associated with the removal of subsidy, just remember that among you, your families are pregnant people. The day of birth is the day of pain. You go through the labor pain. When you see or you hear the voice of the baby, Your pains are gone and you are relieved. Nigeria is at it. The last 40 years, some very few people were cornering our commonwealth, calling it subsidy. I call it wasteful and thievery. But right now, you are going through the pain. We are sharing that. But today, we are inaugurating a man's second term, a renewed hope. And that is why I am here. To guarantee you that hope, that things are looking up, things are getting better, and it will get greater and better for the common good of the Nigerian public. We just need to work hard, be more patient, persevere, and you have consistency in governance. Don't worry. With me here is hope. The real hope. Say it again. I assure you, there will be substantial development in the education of your children. You will see the priority in industrialization. Healthcare will receive more allocation and more attention. Don't worry about what you are hearing about the Japa syndrome. We will train more people, and then we can supply them safe. I'm glad we are showing a very united country and moving forward. The peace that you are enjoying here relatively will be better, and we will work hard with you to achieve that peace. Before now, every one of us is enveloped with fear to come to Imo State. Today, Imo is safe, happy, and ready for business. What we learn from this is for us to work together, join hands, and pay attention to our entire security. And today, incidentally, is the Armed Forces Remembrance Day. Baba, safe journey. I will invite all of you to the State House to have dinner. For which date I cannot say yet. Thank you very much. God bless all of you. It's a joy for me to be here today to witness a rekindle of hope and blessing the seed of prosperity for Imo State. It is for us all together to work hard for the stability and unity of this country. I assure you, we will get there. Hope. Thank you. Congratulations.
Thank you very much, Your Excellency.